Hello again. This is my XP Lite that I've had for about 2.5 weeks now. And at the present time, I'm at 370 miles. Ever since new, there was a noticeable resonating sound coming from the rear wheel. It almost seemed like the spokes were vibrating. And as the grade increased, the sound got even stronger. So what I ended up trying, and it seems to have cured the problem, is first I cleaned the wheel, and then I blew it off with compressed air to make sure there wasn't any grit or grime on the wheel. And then, this is what I use to lubricate the chain. So what I ended up doing was using this product. At each nipple, I applied just a very small amount to where the spoke goes into the nipple and where the nipple goes into the rim and where the spoke attaches to the motor. And I did that for each spoke. Now you don't need much. This stuff here, it looks like milk, but it's a dry lube. So I would recommend, if you decide to try this, use a dry lube of some type, a spray, or this happens to be a liquid, and just to show you what it looks like. Now that is more than enough, okay? And I did that to each spoke, nipple, and at the motor, all the way around. Now what I also did was, after I applied it to this joint as well, right there, because the spokes do touch each other. And again, I'll show you. I applied just a small amount right there. And then I work the spokes right at that joint, okay? You can see that, hopefully. I did that for all the spokes, because I almost think that this, under load, these spokes vibrate against each other. And then I let that set overnight, and then I wiped off any residue. This morning I went for a 21-mile ride, and I did not have any resonating sound from the back wheel. So that's it for this round. I hope you're enjoying your e-bikes. Thanks again for taking the time to watch the video, and have a nice day.